Hi guys, welcome to our latest YouTube video. We hope you like it. We try to publish videos every week bringing great tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
In this section, I want to look at goal seek, which is one of the what if analysis features. And I'm going to do it on these 4 examples here. And each time I'm going to be on the yellow cell because that is the result of a formula or a function. Goal seek allows you to change one element that will impact the result of a function or formula. So the first one, the function, is the PMT function, which returns a payment value based on an interest rate, number of payments, and a value that you borrowed. So this first one is saying minus 292.75. What you want goal seek to tell you is, in this first example, if you pay more, so if I pay 350, how does that affect the number of payments? So that is what I want. I'm clicking on the yellow cell. Goal seek is on the data tab underneath what if analysis. Goal seek comes up with a box. It says set cell C4 to a value of, so that's where I'm going to put minus 350 by changing cell, clicking in there, C2. Click OK. It tells me that's going down from 240 to 165. You've got the option of cancelling it off at that point, but I'm going to click OK. Allowed goal seek to tell me the answer. This one, you've got £48,000 profit. You want it to be 56, so one of these two has to change. So you're getting goal seek to tell you which amount it needs to change to. So set cell F4 to 56,000 by changing cell. I'll go for cost of sales, that one. What's that going to have to come down to? It's going to have to come down to 67,000. Okay. This one, I'm paying this loan off over 59 payments. I want to pay off over 40 payments. How much is that going to go up by? Let's have a look at this one. Goal seek to a value of minus 40 by changing cell, in this case, I2. Click OK. It's going to go up a lot, I think. Yeah. Big increase. Now, the last one is you want to make £90,000 in this little shop. You're charging £5.50 for tea and cakes. How many do you need to sell to get £90,000? So you start on the yellow cell. You go to what if goal seek to a value of 90,000 by changing cell, in this case C14, the blank cell. You click OK, and then it calculates it up. So it's basically, click OK to that. You need to sell that many, which doesn't look a lot when you do the sum daily. I'll just do that quickly. Equals that. Divide by 365. If you was open every day, you'd only need 44 customers per day if they were all spending £5.50. But that's all I want to talk about on this little one, how to use goal seek, one of the what if features.